cheating. Slowly up. Inhale the way down. Inhale. Up. Halfway through. Up. Here. Press. Yes. Slow. Yes. Hold it. Hold it. Up. Hold. Pause at the bottom. 2 seconds. And then you're gonna think of pushing the ground away like a rocket that goes up straight.
How you doing, boss?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing all right. What's your name?
My name is William.
Oh, Williams. Nice meeting you.
Pleasure.
And if you don't mind me ask you, can you tell me one of the reasons why you come to the gym?
I come to the gym because it's therapeutic, you know? 10 years ago, I was kind of stressed out, didn't know what I want to do in life.
Okay.
So I started coming to the gym, you know, working off the stress. And, you know, when you come to the gym, it's just therapeutic. You know, you feel relaxed, you don't feel tense. You kind of let all your stress, you let all your anger out. Once you get done with a good 90-minute workout, you feel relieved, you feel open, and you feel, you know, calm, you know? So it kind of calms the body and, you know, gets you in shape. It makes you feel confidence too, you know?
Wow, that was great.
Yeah.
Like, how many days or how many times do you come to the gym in a week?
I would say 3 times a week. You know, if I have the time, I'll try to do 4, but at least like 3 times a week. I try to do it every other day, you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
How long is your gym session?
Gym session, I would say no more than 90 minutes, you know what I mean? You only have 24 hours in a day, so I try to do like 90 minutes of workout so I can enjoy the rest of my day. Yeah.
Wow. If you don't mind me asking, what makes you happy?
Surrounding myself around positive people, eating well, treating people the way they want to be treated, and try to enjoy life every day to the fullest. You gotta be grateful, so when I wake up, I say thank you every day, because it makes me know how grateful I am, because, you know, somebody else could have a worse situation than me. So every day, be thankful, be grateful, and, you know, I just try to do things that I enjoy doing, stay away from negative people, and, you know, kill them with kindness. You know, no matter how nasty they are, just try to kill people with kindness and just try to be motivated and positive.
Wow, that was loaded.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind me, let me ask you the last question, right? So what would you have to say to the people that don't work out or that don't come to the gym?
That don't work out, that don't come to the gym, try to at least, if you don't want to come to the gym or work out, try to work out in your home, in your basement while you're watching TV 20 minutes a day. You could be doing push-ups, you know, because there are days like a good time, especially in the winter when nobody wants to go out to the gym. I don't like going out to the gym in the winter. I like to stay in my house. But if I do stay in the house, if you're watching Netflix, any TV show, every commercial break, do 100 push-ups, you know? So you could be doing squats, pull-ups, dips, you know, get a pull-up bar. Work out in the house for at least 20 minutes a day, you know, because there's a statistical study that, you know, the more you work out, the longer you live. Wow. So, you know, the choice is yours, you know, and my problem is I don't really eat healthy. That's why I'm in the gym. So I'm trying to work on that. So, you know, if you don't come to the gym, eat healthy or just do some workouts at home. Pretty simple.
So what machine you working on right now?
I'm working on the seated row, so I'm basically working on my back. Yeah, so
I'm gonna see you, you know, do the workout. Let's see how you do it.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
How you doing today?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Ariel Muslim.
Okay, this is Planet Fitness Gym, right?
Yes.
Why do you come to the gym?
Well, I come to the gym for a different series of reasons. Number one, I didn't like really being small and weak, especially in a family where everyone goes to the gym. I felt like now is my time to, grow up, and this is a way for me to kind of mature myself. And another reason is because I'm actually becoming a pilot, and health and fitness is really important. So I use this as kind of a guide to get me there.
So how many days in a week do you come to the gym?
I say I come to the gym about 3 times a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your gym session like? How many hours?
I mean, I'm here for about 2 hours.
2 hours?
Each time, yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot. So what do you have to say to the people that don't work out or don't come to the gym?
Man, if you ever need a confidence boost, this is the place. Like, once you finish that workout, you feel like a whole different person.
Wait, is that real though? Because people say that. They said they get like a feel-good hormone after they come to the gym.
Yeah.
Is that true for you?
It is, because I heard that when you come to the gym, it releases like that feel-good hormone. So by the time you're finished, you're like, I'm that person.
You look happy. What makes you happy?
Huh?
What makes you happy?
What makes me happy? Flying. I love aviation and flying.
Okay, sure.
I love it.